Good day, class. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to set up your creature and how to sculpt them using big shapes based from the reference that you have. Right now I'm just gonna set it up here in Maya, then I'm gonna import it in Mudbox. So here in Maya, going to Windows, going to our content browser. Now I'm going to select this one, the human body. Double click and close on this one. Not Notice that it's really huge. I'll have to scale it down a bit. So I'd scale it by point 0.5. Point 0.5 is enough. And then don't forget to modify freeze transform. There. Now we have our base mesh to start with in Mudbox. But before we continue on this, I've downloaded some kit bash models, mainly on the mouth, the teeth, the upper teeth, and the lower teeth. The upper teeth is this one. Let's isolate. That's the upper creature teeth, and the lower teeth is this one. So it's not matching based from our reference. Now I'll scale it down a little bit. Maybe at point 0.9 there. And I'll adjust this one. I'll turn this off. Ah, move it up then. There we go. Moving it up, moving it here bit, moving it forward a little bit. There we go. Now we have our human body. And then we have our upper teeth and lower teeth. This is kit bash, so I can just ungroup it just to show you that I got it already preset. You can search it online anywhere, Google or in Maya or any 3D software that has a preset. And we have this. Now I will save this. Save as base creature underscore 01. Save. Now that we have that, I'll select all of this and then I'm gonna export it out as FBX, export selection as FBX. I'll write down folder FBX there, base creature, excuse me, 01, export. We got that. Notice our directory is all set. So if I go to project window, I already have my project name and my own directory to load all of this. Then just press accept. Now that I've saved this, oh, excuse me. Now that I've saved this, I will go to Mudbox. Now, going to Mudbox, here we are. In Mudbox, for this human body in our object, Most probably I'll delete this. If not, I'll see. Yep, I will delete this human body, and then I will file import our directory where we saved our project folder. Scenes, FBX, open that, then open. And now we have our directory here, our model here. For now, we can turn off the teeth. Or we can turn it on. It's up to you. Now we have our human body. So deselect. Should be okay. And for the shaders, I think we have shaders here. Where are those? Here we go. Material presets. So let's just select that one, or no, this one. I think this one's better. So we are in wireframe mode. Undo. W. So that's our wireframe. Now we have our model. We have our base mesh. Look at our references. My reference here are mostly from Kaiju and from Gears of War. I've tried to share it if it's showing, but I don't think it's showing. Let me show you. So I have those. Let's see, and those. So we have our references, bunch of references, and then some from Gears of War. It's up to you what reference you want, what creature you want to do. Just I'm gonna show you technicalities on building one. So right now I decide to sorry to browse other references for this. So going back to Mudbox while I'm working on the references. I will turn off my audio for a bit so that I can focus on building the shapes for our creature. As you can see, I'm trying to build shapes for our creature. Don't forget the anatomy, of course. just want to get our shapes first. The rough shape. Very, very rough. Foamy. Nope, not foamy. Bulge. Not bulge. Let's try amplify. Nope. Make it. Trying to make it thick. I'm using a pen tablet, so the shapes is not perfect. So you'll have to work your way around to get that correctly. Then I'll start smoothing it to make it look even, but I still need to make it fat or giant or big. Creature like, but I still need grab. Going to use our ortho view, so should work. There we go. Larger and moving. Nope. Smaller. Bit. Move it. Bit. Bit. Excuse me, I have a cold. Or it's getting thin, which is bad. There we go. Bulge. Excuse me. By all means, you have other options, other techniques that you can do, go ahead. Now I'm still experimenting on a lot of shapes. grab. Control to bulge more. Okay, here we go. Trying to reach my shape. Still need to refine my shapes, but it's getting there. Somehow. Be to scale the size of the brush. For the eyes. Neck is off, but it's a creature anyway, so can get away a little bit. Roll the bulge out. Not yet. Not looking right, but might take, this takes time. So reach your shape as much as you can, then after that we'll move on to second stage of the shapes.